Welcome to YCfee. Have you ever wondered how the delicious potatoes we often enjoy are grown and harvested? Today, we will explore the journey of potatoes from being sown in vast fields to being harvested and reaching consumers in the United States. Did you know that each year, the United States harvests millions of tons of potatoes to meet domestic demand and export to other countries worldwide? This staggering number highlights the importance of potato cultivation to the U.S. economy. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind the massive potato harvests in America. Potatoes are grown in many regions across the United States, but some of the most renowned areas include Idaho, climate continental with 4 distinct seasons, cold and dry winters, warm and dry summers. Soil, fertile and nutrient-rich, ideal for potato cultivation. Potato production, one of the largest potato producing regions in the U.S., with an annual yield of about 13 million tons. Washington, climate mild with significant rainfall, warm and dry summers, cool winters. Soil, fertile, well-drained, suitable for potato farming. Potato production, among the top potato producing regions in the U.S., with an annual yield of about 10 million tons. Oregon, climate mild with considerable rainfall, warm and dry summers, cool winters. Soil, fertile, well-drained, suitable for potato farming. Potato production, annual yield of about 4 million tons. California, climate Mediterranean with hot and dry summers, mild winters. Soil, diverse, ranging from sandy to clay soils, suitable for various crops. Potato production, annual yield of about 2 million tons. Maine, climate continental with 4 distinct seasons, cold and snowy winters, warm summers. Soil, fertile and nutrient-rich, ideal for potato cultivation. Potato production, annual yield of about 1.5 million tons. For potatoes to thrive, suitable weather and soil conditions are essential. Temperature, potatoes adapt well to temperate climates, with an optimal average temperature of 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Extreme temperatures can negatively impact their growth and yield. Rainfall, potatoes require moderate rainfall, around 500 to 750 millimeters annually. Insufficient water will cause the plants to wilt, while excessive water can lead to diseases and root rot. Soil, potatoes grow best in loose, nutrient-rich, well-drained soil. Heavy or overly wet soil can hinder tuber development. With these conditions, American farmers can maximize potato growth and yield. 1. Planting season. The potato planting season in the U.S. typically occurs in the spring from April to June. During this period, the temperature and rainfall are most suitable for potato growth. Warm temperatures promote germination and growth, while adequate rainfall ensures sufficient water supply for the plants. Two, planting machinery. To optimize efficiency and productivity, the U.S. potato farming industry uses various modern machines. Plowing machines prepare the soil by deep plowing, loosening, and leveling the surface. Potato planters sow seeds precisely and efficiently, ensuring proper spacing and planting depth. Automated irrigation systems provide consistent water supply to the crops, optimizing water usage. 3. Farmer's role. Besides machinery support, farmers play a crucial role in caring for and managing potato crops. Their main tasks include monitoring crop development from germination to harvest and adjusting care measures accordingly, fertilizing, watering, and controlling weeds to ensure the plants receive adequate nutrients and sunlight, timely pest and disease control to protect crop growth. After meticulous care, the potatoes gradually mature and are ready for harvest. You've learned about the conditions and technology needed for successful potato farming. But what secrets lie behind this massive harvesting process? Stay tuned to our video to find out. And now, let's uncover the secrets behind the massive potato harvests in the United States. The ideal time for potato harvesting depends on the variety and weather conditions, but typically occurs in the fall from August to October. Signs that potatoes are ready for harvest include large tubers with brown, easy-to-peel skin and yellowing leaves. Today's potato harvesting industry in the U.S. harmoniously combines modern technology and human labor. Advanced harvesting machinery increases efficiency and productivity, minimizing manual labor. However, human oversight remains crucial for operating machinery and ensuring product quality. To harvest potatoes effectively, Americans use various specialized machines. Potato harvesters quickly dig and gather potatoes from the ground. Sorting machines remove soil, rocks, rotten tubers, and other impurities, ensuring high-quality produce. Transport machines efficiently move potatoes from the fields to trucks or storage facilities. let's take a closer look at the fascinating process of potato harvesting in the US. After harvesting, potatoes are transported to processing and storage facilities. Here, they are washed, sorted, packed, and stored under optimal temperature and humidity conditions to maintain freshness and safety throughout transport and distribution. Thanks to the effective application of these technologies and equipment, the U.S. has become one of the largest potato producers in the world. Each year, the potato farming industry in the U.S. yields approximately 20 million tons, supplying millions of tons of high-quality potatoes to consumers domestically and internationally. From vast potato fields through the meticulous care of farmers to harvesting with modern machinery, potatoes eventually reach consumers. Potatoes are not only a familiar food, but also play a significant role in our lives. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, contributing significantly to essential nutrient intake. Regular consumption of potatoes helps improve health and strengthen the immune system. Additionally, potatoes are the main ingredient in many delicious and appealing dishes such as French fries, mashed potatoes, and potato soup. These dishes are not only tasty but also diverse, catering to various tastes. Finally, as an easy-to-grow, high-yield crop popular worldwide, potatoes play an essential role in food security, especially in developing countries. Thank you for watching this video. We greatly appreciate your support. See you in the next videos with more fascinating and interesting content about agricultural products. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.